One of the most helpful features is tab groups. If you often have too many tabs open, this is a lifesaver. You can group related tabs by color and label, like work, school, shopping, or research. It keeps everything neat and lets you collapse groups when you need more space. It's perfect for multitaskers. Another feature that simplifies your day is reading mode. With one click, Chrome strips away ads, sidebars, and distractions so you can focus on the text you actually need. It's great for students reading long articles, parents checking online guides, or anyone who wants a cleaner view. Chrome also has a built-in password manager that saves your logins securely and even suggests strong passwords. You don't need to remember everything. Chrome does it for you. Plus, it warns you if any of your passwords were found in a data breach, so you can update them fast. If you're someone who switches between tasks, Send to your devices is another underrated gem. You can right-click a page and instantly send it from your phone to your laptop or vice versa. No need for screenshots or messaging yourself links. There's also Chrome's Search by Image feature, which lets you right-click an image and search for similar ones online. It's perfect for finding product details, recipes, and even identifying things you don't know the name of. And for those who love saving time, Omnibox shortcuts allow you to search your bookmarks, tabs, and even specific websites directly from the address bar. Just type @tabs, @bookmarks, or @Google to speed up your workflow. These small but powerful features are built to make everyday browsing easier and faster. No extra downloads needed. If you enjoyed this quick guide, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more simple tech tips.